today I am really excited because I got fidget spinners. So they're like the popular thing here. So I got 7 of them, and so I got this one is in the package. It's a pink fidget spinner. This one's a gold one. And then I got this blue metallic-y one. And then I got this just blue one. Then I got this light blue and orange one. This one is like pink and blue and like striped. And then this one's just orange and blue. So now I'm gonna show you detail them. So like I'm just gonna put all these to the side. I'm gonna start with this pink one. So this is the fidget spinner. This is the back of the packaging. And I got this one at Walmart. So this is the fidget spinner. It's a little bit cracked right here, but it's okay because it still works. Then these are the black bearings. And it can have a really good spin. It makes a lot of noise. And the back is just the exact same thing. And stay tuned for the end to see which fidget spinner spins the best. That's the first one. Here's the second one. This is a gold edition fidget spinner. This one I got from Amazon. These are instructions how to use them, but I already know how to use them, so I don't need that. We just need the fidget spinner. So this is the fidget spinner. It's gold, but it's actually plastic, and it's blue, has blue bearings with silver. This is how it spins. It spins very good, and it's very smooth. Next, we have this fidget spinner, and the rest of these are going to be from Walgreens, by the way. And so this is a blue metallic one with silver bearings. And just so you know, this one doesn't spin very good because like it spins very good and then it slows down and then it like stops completely. But it only does that sometimes. It depends on how you spin it. And that's the back. And these are made out of plastic. So this one is an orange one, and it's glow in the dark, and there's blue bearings with silver, and this is how it spins. It spins very nice. And here's the back. This one's a very similar one to that other orange one, and it's just blue with black bearings, and this is how it spins. This one is my pink and blue one striped, and it has like this reddish orangey bearings on it. And on the cool thing about this one is on the front it looks like this. On the back it's just white and with reddish / orange bearings. And this is how it spins. It's just like all the other ones. It's very smooth and it's a cool pattern. And finally, but not least, we have this light blue color with the orange bearings. And this is the back. This is how it spins. And yeah. So now I got my stopwatch ready and to see if we can spin all of them. But they're not gonna be the exact same time because it's gonna be a little bit off. So, but you're gonna get a good idea on how long these spin. So let's start. This one stopped already. This one's very not a good one. The gold one's slowing down. This one stopped now. We just have 5 more left and see who wins. This one, these two are kind of slowing down, especially this one. This one's spinning really good. This one, slow down. This one's starting to slow on this one and this one. This one is actually still going, but it's starting to slow down. It's been 1 minute. Just these two stopped. That one stopped. We have 2 more to compete. Who's gonna win? I think this one's gonna win. Yep, this one won. So let's see, it's still going. Okay, so this one was 1 minute and 40 seconds. So this is the champion of best longest spinning out of my fidget spinners. So if you want a really good fidget spinner that spins very fast, you should get this orange one from Walgreens. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna play with them. So this was last place, by the way, if you didn't know. This one was, it's very not the best, but it looks really cool. Like the spinning, it's really cool to look at, but it just slows down very fast and then it like slows down completely. But some of the times it spins very fast and goes on for a long time. Like this. Turn. So, and my favorite fidget spinner to look at is probably either this one or this one. They're really pretty to look at. But my favorite fidget spinners like to play with, these two are my favorite fidget spinners to play with, even though they're not like the best spinning. It's just very satisfying to look at, or very cool to look at. Because like this one spins very fast and it makes a lot of noise and it's like really cool. And this one's like really gold and I really like it. And yeah. So that's all today. Please comment down below, what is your favorite fidget spinner that I have? Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye! Fidget spinners. And you can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I believe in myself. Last one. Please work. Yes! I did it! I did it! I did it! I'm so proud of myself. I stuck 7 fidget spinners on this thing. It's still spinning. It's awesome. I'm gonna destroy it now. I can balance it on my thumb. I can balance it on my pointer finger. I can balance it on my middle finger. I can balance it on my ring finger. And hopefully this will work. Sometimes I can do my pinky. Okay, pin pinky. Hey! Oh my gosh. I put them like this. And I can balance 2 fidget spinners. Whoa. It's really cool and it's awesome because I can balance 2 fidget spinners at a time. But I can't do 3 because my hand is too small. It's very sad. I tried it a lot of times.